The last thing about lists. Up here on the Home tab is a button called Format as Table. First thing, be in your list. That's easy to do because then Excel will just work the block of data. Format as Table, pretty. You can have any of these. Get one. Machine checks that it's the right data, checks that you've got headers up in the top row. Okay, beautiful. A couple of things happen when you come up here now. It's just a matter of pointing and it'll change all. While we're up here, these buttons here tell the machine what it's allowed to format. So header row is turned on and the header row here is a different colour. Banded rows, we've got different colours. First column is not on. If it was, this would be dark blue. Last column is not on. If we did, this one would be dark blue. Banded columns is not on. If we did, that'd be dark blue. This one would be light. This would be dark, etc., etc. Notice that it's turned on the filter that we talked about last time. So that happens for you automatically. The really cute part about it is this one, the one called Total Row. What that does is turns your totals on down the bottom, saves you doing the calculations. But it gets better than that, because if you come down to a total, you'll get a little drop down arrow and it says this one is sum. If we didn't want to see the total amount that we spent, we could have the highest number, which is 375. We could have the lowest number, the minimum number. We could have the average. We could turn the whole thing off. Let's just stay with sum for that. I need to count how many of these items are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you'll miss one for sure, everybody does. But if we click in here, we get the same little drop down. And here we can now say, count them for me. 18 items, bang, dates, etc. But when you come up here now, and you say, I just want to see, let's say March. Items go to 6, total goes to 1145. Cute. Really quick way to do calculations in lists. If you didn't now wanted to get rid of this for some reason or other, you could come up, you could turn off your total row. It's fine, you turn it back on again, everything's good. Or if you wanted to get back to where you first started, just back to your data, over here, convert to range. And the machine says, do you want to convert this to a range? Yes, please. Puts everything back, comes down here, still got the totals. But if we double click that, do you see what it put in? It put in a subtotal function, because every time you filter it, you don't want the total, you want the subtotal. The 103 means count them. Let's come to this one. 109 means sum them, etc. You don't need the code, but that's what they do. Format as table. Nice, quick, easy way to make the whole thing look nice again. Let's just go format table again. And all the Microsoft pretty colours. Too much choice.